Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload story on Instagram from PC. So, let's get started. First, head over to Instagram on your browser. Once you're there, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. And then click on Developer Tools. Now, if you're using a different browser, don't worry. Just right-click anywhere on the screen. And then select Inspect. Once the Developer Tools panel opens, look for the mobile phone icon. And click on it. Next, refresh the page. Once the page is refreshed, simply close the Inspect mode. And just like that, Instagram now thinks you're on a mobile device. You'll be able to create and upload stories directly from your PC. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.